In this video, I'm going to show you how to view or recover your email password in Outlook. Before we begin, it's important to understand that Outlook does not allow you to directly view your email password inside the Outlook app. If your Outlook account is linked to a Microsoft account, such as Outlook.com, Hotmail, or Live.com, the password you use for Outlook is the same one you use to sign in on the Microsoft website at account.microsoft.com. If you've previously saved your Outlook password in Google Password Manager, you can easily view it from there. Simply open your browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and open the Settings menu. From there, go to Autofill and Passwords and select Google Password Manager. In the search bar, type Outlook or Microsoft. If your login details were saved before, they will appear in the list. Click on the entry, enter your system password when prompted, and you'll be able to view your saved username and password. If you didn't save your password or can't find it inside the Password Manager, you can still reset it. Open any browser and go to account.microsoft.com, click on Sign In, and then choose the Forgot My Password option. Follow the verification steps using your recovery email, phone number, or the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once you complete the verification process, you can create a new password and then update your Outlook app using the updated login details. And that's it. That's how you can view or recover your Outlook email password. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.